Welcome to Pharma Center. We are going to see about fat soluble vitamins, particularly a detailed explanation of vitamin A and vitamin D. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is also known as anti-xerophthalmic vitamin, and precursor of vitamin A is retinoids. Vitamin A is a complex of primary alcohol. Vitamin A occurs in three forms. First form, vitamin A alcohol, that is retinol. Second form, vitamin A aldehyde, that is retinal. And third form, retinoic acid. So the first form, that is vitamin A alcohol, retinol, is necessary for reproductive system. And second form, retinol, is necessary for normal vision. And the third form of vitamin A is retinoic acid, and it is necessary for growth and differentiation. So this is the flow chart of three forms of vitamin A. So from plant source a beta carotene is obtained and it is converted to retinol, and retinol is converted to retinoic acid. So retinol, that is a vitamin A alcohol, is obtained from animal source. That retinol is converted to retinol and retinol also converted to retinol. So the precursor of vitamin A is retinoids. Vitamin A is derived from certain plant pigments called carotenoids, that is provitamin A. Precursor of vitamin A is retinoids, and a plant pigment, that is a vitamin A, is derived from certain plant pigment called carotenoids. So carotenoid is known as provitamin A. So there are four components of provitamin A. They are alpha carotene, beta carotene, gamma carotene and cryptoxanthin. In this four provitamin A, alpha carotene, gamma carotene and cryptoxanthin yield only one molecule of vitamin A. But beta carotene yields two molecules of vitamin A. This is the structure of vitamin A. Now we can see sources of vitamin A. So the best sources of vitamin A is fish liver oils like shark liver oil and cod liver oil. And the moderate sources of vitamin A includes egg yolk, cheese and butter. And provitamin A. Provitamin A is also known as carotenoids. So that carotenoids is present in carrot, yellow vegetables and spinach. Now we are going to see about the physiological actions or functions of vitamin A. So the important functions of vitamin A is to regulate vision both in brightness and darkness. And for normal growth and reproduction, vitamin A is very important, and also for the formation of bones and teeth and maintaining integrity of normal epithelium of skin and mucous membrane. And vitamin A is also important for the maintenance of normal conjunctiva and cornea. Also, vitamin A has antioxidant effect, that is, it neutralizes free radicals. Now we can see some deficiency diseases of vitamin A. First diseases include nyctalophia or night blindness, and the second disease is xerophthalmia. So xerophthalmia is a keratinization of conjunctiva leading to which is characterized by silvery scales and bitot spots. Next, the third deficiency disease of vitamin A is keratomalacia. Keratomalacia is due to the destruction of cornea. And fourth deficiency disease is hyperkeratosis. Hyperkeratosis is characterized by roughening of the skin. So this roughening of the skin leads to infections of skin, respiratory tract and urinary tract. So next disease is hypervitaminosis A. So this disease occurs due to excess of vitamin A. So this excess of vitamin A can produce joint pain, thickening of bones and loss of hair. So daily requirement of vitamin A is 5000 international units. So the important topic in vitamin A is Wall's visual cycle also known as rhodopsin vitamin A cycle. The important function of vitamin A is to regulate vision in brightness and darkness. This regulatory mechanism is called as Wall cycle. That is, in retina, rhodopsin in the presence of bright light it converted into opsin plus transretinin, which is in inactive state, and it is further converted to trans vitamin A. This is also in inactive state, and it also converted to trans vitamin A in active in blood circulation. In dim light, this trans vitamin A is converted to cis vitamin A, which is in active state, and this cis vitamin A is further converted to active cis retinine and opsin in dim light. So this is a Wall's visual cycle. The sequence of Wall's visual cycle, the retina contains two types of cells, that is one rod cells and cone cells. Rod cells is used for vision in bright light and cone cells is used for vision in dim light. So these two types of cells are present in retina. That is, you can see these two types of cells briefly. First one, rods. It is used for vision in bright light and it contains a pigment called rhodopsin. It is a combination of opsin and retinine. That is opsin, which is a protein, and retinine, which is a vitamin A aldehyde. Now coming to cones. Cones is used for vision in dim light and cones contain a pigment called iodopsin. It is a combination of photopsin and retinine. So photopsin is a protein and retinine is a vitamin A aldehyde. In bright light, rhodopsin present in the rods is split up into opsin and transretinine in inactive state. This transretinine is further converted to trans vitamin A, which is in inactive state and which enters into blood. In dim light, trans vitamin A is converted to cis vitamin A, which is active. This active cis vitamin A is further converted to cis retinine. Now this cis retinine combines with opsin to form rhodopsin, which is now resynthesized. So that's all about vitamin A. Now coming to a next fat soluble vitamin, that is vitamin D. Vitamin D is also known as calciferol and anti-rachitic vitamin. There are two important forms of vitamin D. First one, vitamin D2 or ergocalciferol, and second one, vitamin D3 or cholecalciferol. We can see these two vitamins briefly one by one. First vitamin D2 or ergocalciferol. It is obtained by irradiation of ergosterol present in yeast and ergot. Vitamin D3 or cholecalciferol, it is produced in human skin by irradiation of 7-dehydrocholesterol. So this is the structure of vitamin D2 or ergocalciferol, and this is the structure of vitamin D3 or cholecalciferol. Now we are going to see about the sources of vitamin D. So vitamin D is obtained from fish liver oils like shark liver oil, cod liver oil and halibut oil. And vitamin D is also obtained from egg yolk. Now coming to physiological actions or functions of vitamin D. So vitamin D facilitates the absorption of calcium and phosphorus in the intestine, and it stimulates the calcification of bones. It also develops teeth and bones, and it produces hydrolysis of phytate and thus prevents it from producing rickets. Next topic, deficiency diseases of vitamin D. So deficiency diseases of vitamin D includes rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. Hypervitaminosis D is due to excess of vitamin D in our body. So the immediate effect of hypervitaminosis D includes anorexia, that is loss of appetite, thirst, constipation and polyuria. And the delayed effect of hypervitaminosis D includes calcification of tissues and formation of renal calculi. And the daily requirement of vitamin D is 400 international units. Already I have uploaded a definition and classification of vitamins in previous video. I will give that link of that video in description box. You can refer it. If you like this video, like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you and stay tuned for upcoming videos.